Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some hot cross buns, and this cross buns has a buttery flavor. The combination of fruits and the flavor into this dough is so good. You can add some orange or lemon zest. It is so moist and nice. And there are two ways in making this cross bun, which I'll leave the link to my next cross bun recipe in the description box below. So here I have flour, warm milk, sugar, egg. I have some currants and raisin, butter, essence. And this is mixed essence, guys. I have some cinnamon powder, grated nutmeg, salt. At this time, you can add some lemon or orange zest into yours. That's all right. So into my mixer, I'm going to add all the dry ingredients. So I'm adding 1, 2, 3, 4 cups of flour. I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I prefer to use brown sugar into this recipe. Alright, I'm adding the spices, and do check the description box below for all the ingredients and measurements. 1 pack of the yeast into here. And now I'm going to use the paddle attachment and just make sure I mix it so that everything will be well incorporated. At this time, I'm going to go in and add 2 tablespoons of butter along with 1 egg, and the egg is optional. Alright, I'm using some mixed essence into this along with some warm milk. What you should do when you're mixing, guys, because there are different types of flour, alright, use a little bit of liquid at a time until you mix and you get the right consistency of the dough that you're looking for. So put this to a mix, and let me tell you, this mixer does it all. You do not need much kneading when it's all done. At this time, I'm going to go right in and add some currants and raisin. You can also add some prunes if you want, some chopped apricots, whatever you feel like putting into your cross buns. Mix it again. At this time, I'm going to stop and put 1 tablespoon of butter and just mix it again. The mixing process for this was just 5 minutes. Now that it's all done, I'm going to go ahead and flour my surface. Then I'm going to turn the dough over onto my floured surface, and I'm just going to roll it into a dough ball. And you know you got a very good dough when it doesn't stick to your hands, alright? And this dough is the perfect dough. Look at this. Just fold it in, just like this. The mixer just did all the kneading, guys. Trust me. It is so powerful. Place it into your dish and cover with paper towel until it doubles in size. Now that it's doubled in size, we're going to flour a surface again and roll the dough out. At this time, you can weigh your dough pieces just so that you can get the exact same size of the bun. But you know your girl gonna average, right? I'm good at this. So what I'm going to do is just cut them into pieces, just like this, and then just make some nice little dough balls. Make sure you grease your pan with either some cooking oil or some butter, and just place them into your pan, cover them, set them aside, and let them sit for 3/4 of an hour. After 3/4 of an hour, you want to place them into a 350 degrees oven and let them bake for 15 to 18 minutes or until they are golden brown and nice. Immediately when you take them out from the oven, you need to mix some brown sugar. And here I'm using 1/4 cup of brown sugar with 3 tablespoons of water. Mix it until the sugar melts in. Then you want to base your hot cross buns with this sugar syrup. It's this simple, guys. Now you want to do the topping for it, but you don't want to put the topping onto your cross buns when it is hot. So you want it to cool off. Here I'm sifting 1 cup of icing sugar and 1 tablespoon of butter. And you want to add some liquid. Now you want to add a little bit of liquid at a time. I add 2 tablespoons of milk along with 1/4 teaspoon of lemon extract. Mix it well. And guys, if you use 1 extra drop of liquid, you'll be messing this up, all right? So you mix it in. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of milk just to bring it to the right consistency I'm looking for. Mix it again. And this is the consistency you should get. Now place your piping bag into a glass and just put your icing mixture right up into there. Once you place it there, just depends on the size of topping you want to put. You cut the tip of your bag and just run it right through like this. And our hot cross buns is a spice sweet buns, guys, that's usually made with fruits, marked with this cross on top and traditionally eaten on Good Friday. So here you have it. Don't you forget to check the description box below. I'll be leaving the other link so you can see how to make the other type of cross buns, which means that I did use more fruits into it, which would have made it a bit heavier. And they are also tasty. It is so heavenly, trust me. I just love the combination of fruits and the flavor into the dough. Yeah, so go right ahead, give it a try. Don't you forget to subscribe, like and share my video, and you can use it with some cheese also. So let's break into it. Let me show you what it looks like. At this time, my kitchen is infused with the cinnamon and that warm caramelized sugar on top. So go right ahead, make it a part of your cherished Easter tradition. Enjoy, and I'll see you soon.